Hi. In this video I am turning a small lidded box from Masur Birch. I start turning the piece between centers using a roughing gouge to start forming the box. I roughly form the box with roughing gouge. In this position it is very effective tool to remove material. I then change to a half-inch spindle gouge to get a better surface from the cuts. I mark where to divide the box, top and bottom. I use a half-inch spindle gouge to true up the top of the body of the box. I drill a pilot hole to approximately the depth of the box. Define a recess for the lid and use the half-inch spindle gouge to start hollowing out the box. You can hear from the sound of the turning that there are some fine vibrations in the box. I try to use a carpet hollowing tool and but there are still the same vibrations. I use a traditional scraper for the final shaping of the inside of the box. I then turn my attention to the lid. This is the inside. I use a beating tool to to define the tenant for the lid. Here I try the fit to the box back and forth until I get a proper fit. We can see later on that in this case it is a very tight fit. I use my half-inch spindle gouge to shape the inside of the lid, slightly concave curve. Final shaping is done with a scraper as was on the inside, and then sand the inside of the lid to grit 400. Apply sanding sealer, Yorkshire grit, and Hampshire Sheen high gloss wax. I put the two pieces of the box together and start shaping the top of the lid. The idea is that the shape of the lid and the top of the box will flow into each other, and the connection line between the box and the lid will be almost invisible. I'm using a half-inch spindle gouge to define the top of the lid and also define the small finial or a knob on the top of the lid. I sand the outside to grit 400. Apply sanding sealer, Yorkshire grit, and Hampshire Sheen high gloss wax. I then remove the lid and gave the inside of the box the same treatment. Here I am finishing the top of the finial or knob. I also sand that to 400, and same treatment as the outside of the box. I do the same with the bottom of the box. Here I am using a detail spindle gouge. Slightly concave bottom to ensure that the box will stand firmly. So here is the finished piece. A small box in Masur Birch. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.